Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making some Toori or Ridge Gourd. Now the big one is from farmers market and the small ones are from my backyard. And so we're gonna start by peeling them, and because zucchinis you can cook without peeling, but these you have to peel because the top skin is pretty hard. So after peeling those, we're going to cut them, and here I have one medium onion slice and about 5 to 6 green chilies. Now these chilies are not too hot, so if you're using chilies that are super hot, please add them accordingly. And I added a little bit of oil, and we're going to saute those till they're golden brown like that. And at this point I'm going to go ahead and add the add the Toori. I cut them into small circles. The big one I cut through the middle and then cut it into smaller pieces. I added half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. I grind mine at home, so it's not super fine. And I'm going to go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder. Now the zucchinis, they may look like a lot, but they do cook down quite a bit, so watch your salt. Now give that a good mix, and we're going to cook them on high flame for the first 15 minutes or so. And after the first 15 minutes, they should start looking like that. They have cooked down quite a bit, and we're going to go ahead and lower the flame to medium high, and we're going to continue to cook them till they look like something like this. At this point you are done, and you're going to go ahead and cut some cilantro and use that to garnish. I usually just mix it in, and at this point you are done and they are cooked. Now they should be enough for about 3 to 4 people, and they taste really good. I mean, if you like vegetables, these taste absolutely amazing. Do try it, let me know if you do, and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and see you again with another simple recipe.